Hi moms, this message is for you. You don't want to miss this. I have 2 different exercises, kind of like stretching movements that are going to help you reduce your waist. Because guess what? You're never too old to work on your waist. Obviously, 80 to 90% is the nutrition and the foods that you intake, but you can also work on reducing your waist by doing these 2 types of exercise movements. The first one I'm going to show you is called the torso twist, but you're going to do it with a vacuum hold, okay? So when I talk about vacuum is you're going to like squeeze your belly in, like breathe, and hold it, okay? And by holding it, you're going to come here and suck it in, because we're working with the external oblique and the internal oblique. And then you're going to just twist just like this. You're not moving anything else. And you could do these for 30 seconds and then take a break for 15 seconds and repeat it 3 times. So again, you're gonna squeeze, you're gonna hold, suck in. It's kind of like sucking in your stomach, and then tighten it. And then just a movement of oblique twist. This is definitely gonna help you work around your external and internal obliques. And I typically do them for 30 seconds, rest 15 seconds, and I do like 3 sets of that. That should help you. You could do them at least 3 times a week. When you do your core workouts, this is a really good exercise that I've been applying. Then there's a second one that I do, which is called the Oblique Crunch. So you're gonna bend your knees and you're gonna come here, and then you're gonna go just side slowly to the other side. And again, make sure you suck in your core, you tighten it, and you go side to side. And this is gonna work, again, with your external, internal obliques, just kind of like really condensing it, trying to get that little hourglass shape that we all are chasing for. So those are 2 movements that you can do from home at your leisure time. I hope these 2 help you as it's helped me. And if you ladies found this helpful, click and subscribe to my channel.